Hi, everybody. So, yeah, I am software developer, and I do software for monitoring, and sometimes I even don't know how it's used. All right, this time I decided to make another tool for monitoring, which integrates to Grafana. Yeah, and I do some software for Grafana. All right, so today I'm going to talk about how I see self-hosted monitoring in general, and how you can make your self-hosted monitoring analytics with Grafana and Python with the tool. All right. So there are many reasons why you would do this, and most of these bullets come from my friends, and so I like ability to tailor your models for your time series data, and sometimes you don't have chance. For example, if you monitor a local network, then you need to have internet to send data to analyze, right? Sometimes you don't have it. So how I started? I come from game development actually, and then I started to data visualization career, and then Grafana plugins development. So it was that visualization thing. And when I started to work with Grafana, and during that, I faced a problem with my customer. Not with the customer, but he got the problem. So we were monitoring solar panels, and we thought, okay, so we have understanding how solar panels should work, and we know something about sun, and we just decided, okay, we use Grafana, let's make a tool. Right. So this is how I see the world. This is this is the world, and you have watchers, and you get some metrics from the world, and you have time series database, and somehow you visualize this is a Grafana logo, right? And all right, so if you want to make an analytics tool, I think we should start something here. All right, so we have dashboards, and we have database. We need to extract data to analyze and send it back to dashboard, and we need to get something from user. User helps us to make analytics with labeling. All right, so perfect analytic units. This is this part, this analytic unit. From my point of view, it should be isolated and hackable. That's it. This is what I need. This is all what I need. All right. 6 months ago, I called Daniel from Grafana. He's an engineer there, and I asked, I go to hackathon. I want to do something interesting connected with monitoring. He said, okay, you can try to solve a false positive problem and get rich. I haven't done it because I'm not rich, so you can try. I went to hackathon, and now you have Hastic. So yeah. So what is it? This model, my model of the world. You have analytic unit, and this is server. We made a server which analyzes data, and then a renderer which renders your predictions in Grafana, obviously. So it is an app, pretty simple to be honest. And server is Node.js and Python app, which you can hack with Python. I will talk about this. And panel for Grafana. Right. The first feature you have, and the only, you have time series data in your Grafana, all right? And then you label your data, what you find interesting, and then send it to analytic unit and get predictions, and everybody happy, right? Your data might be crazy, like this. And now I don't know what to do with this, but I will show you what I can do. Right, so I have basic patterns which you can detect. So it's peaks, jumps, look at this. It's not just a threshold, right? Because if you put threshold here, then you would start to detect this, right? And drops and how to say? I don't know how to say this word in English. How? Thank you. Trusts. And general. General is something complex model. All right, let's try a demo. Yeah, and I need your help. I'm gonna do a live demo. All right, so I'm gonna make new peaks. All right, and I think I delete this and put nice color. Right. Then I label peaks. I interested in small peaks. I don't know why. All right, I label it. Okay. Okay. So nothing happening, right? Oh no, this is predicted. Yeah, this is predicted. All right, so let's help our analytic unit to predict more. All right. Yes. Thank you. All right, let's back. All right, so you can download it on GitHub and hack it. It's MIT license there. So this is the panel I used to show everything. All right, so the question. I think that you are the only person who expert in your data. Yeah. So you want to make your model. Let's use Python. And this is what I call custom model. You need to make two methods, fit and predict. Right? How many of you do Python? Yes. Right. Right. This is the server, and there is analytics. Yeah, this analytics models custom model. So this is the model, and this is a model. Crazy, right? This is I haven't really made it. It's data scientist made. So the idea that you can get time series data. Then yeah. So this is Jupyter. This is how data scientists usually work. When you get data, write some crazy things, see how it works. Yeah, this is labels. This is what user label, and this is what your model predict. And then you can see it in Grafana. Yeah. Yeah. What's next? This is how I see the world from different angle. Haster server is an app, completely hackable. And this is panel, which you saw minutes ago. You can make your own. I haven't told you I come from Russia. And in Russia, we're interested in meetings, all right? And for example, you work in Russian CIA, and you want to see how crowds in the city walk. I don't know. And you can make your panel for Grafana for geospatial data and label patterns, for example, meetings, and then send it to a Hastic server, and then get predictions. So the idea is that you can make your panel and use this API to make analytics. And I think that you already have analytics in your company, and so you can integrate Hastic with this. Or it may be Datadog, for example, something like this. I don't know. Maybe they do it better than me. I don't know. Right, features about the tool. It's self-hosted. Yeah, you can read. Plans, more complicated stuff, and yeah, optimization for databases. This is what, yeah, just extract, compute features faster. Thanks my team, and thank you guys if you want to participate. I think this is it. I'm super fast.
Okay, so that was actually pretty cool. Any questions for Alexey?
Yes, please.
Oh. Could you,
because we released it
sorry,
yesterday.
Alexey, could you repeat the question?
I'm sorry. The question is, why is it alpha, not beta? I consider this tool as alpha because we released it yesterday, and I found bug 5 minutes ago.
Question in the back there? So I guess the question is that it doesn't care, because it's using Grafana, it doesn't care what databases it's using?
Yeah. Can I summarize?
Sorry?
Can I summarize?
Yes, please.
So the question is, how do I get it? Right. Why are you laughing? I don't get the joke. So the question is, how do I get the data, and if I get data from Grafana, and can I get any data from Grafana? Now I can extract on the data from Influx, but it's awkward. I use Grafana. All right, in 1 month I will support every data source and do it via Grafana. There is this one technical problem I need to solve to get any databases.
So your answer would be sort of?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay.
Sort of.
Any other
questions?
questions?
I use Grafana to query data, right.
Anyone else? Hands, no hands. Okay. Thank you very much, Alexey.
I have a like on GitHub. Please, make a like star on GitHub.